All AC parts have their own job, and the drain line is super important because it carries away all that nasty condensate and moisture your system collects. Okay, so the drain line's job is to keep your AC from flooding your place by channeling water outside or to a drain. If you don't keep it clean, it can get clogged with dirt, mold, or algae, which totally messes up your AC's performance. Make sure you check it regularly and flush it with some bleach or vinegar to kill any gunk building up inside. Also, keep an eye on the drain pan where the water collects before it goes down the drain line, because if that pan cracks or rusts, you're gonna have leaks. If your AC is dripping inside or smells funky, that's probably a sign the drain line is blocked or dirty. Another tip is to install a float switch. It stops your AC if the drain line backs up so you don't end up with water damage. And don't forget, if you're not comfy doing the cleaning yourself, calling a pro can save you a headache later on. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their AC drain lines is ignoring them completely until water starts leaking or smells get bad. This usually happens because of a clogged line or a dirty drain pan, and the fix is simple: regular cleaning and inspections. Another issue is not having a proper slope on the drain line, which causes water to pool instead of draining right. Fixing this means adjusting the line so it angles downward toward the drain. Lastly, skipping installing a float switch can lead to costly water damage when backups happen unnoticed. Adding one gives you peace of mind by shutting off your system automatically in case of overflow. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle AC maintenance and repairs without any stress. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with people who actually need their skills, so everyone wins and homes stay comfy year-round.